36 past the hour. Hunter Biden's felony gun trial is set to begin in a Delaware courtroom with the jury selection process. And many members of the Biden family are by his side, including Dr. Jill Biden, who raised him, Ashley Biden, one of his closest friends, Fran Pearson, Jack Owen, President Biden's brother-in-law, and others. And it is Dr. Jill Biden's birthday, and according to the Washington Post, Hunter said, "Happy birthday. I have a special event," and the two laughed. Let's go to NBC News Justice correspondent Ken Dilanian live outside the courthouse. Ken, what's going inside the courtroom right now? This certainly is a big show of family support.
It really is, Mika. Right now, jury selection is underway. 250 jurors have been called. They're going to bring in 50 at a time to ask them a series of questions. As you said, a tough day for the Biden family. We saw Jill Biden walk into this courthouse, and now we have a new statement from the president himself. And I'm just going to read it to you because it's pretty important. He says, "I'm the president, but I'm also a dad. Jill and I love our son, and we're so proud of the man he is today. Hunter's resilience in the face of adversity and the strength he has brought to his recovery are inspiring to us." It goes on, "A lot of families have loved ones who have overcome addiction and know what we mean." He says, "As the president, I don't and won't comment on pending federal cases, but as a dad, I have boundless love for my son, confidence in him, and respect for his strength. Our family has been through a lot together, and Jill and I are going to continue to be there for Hunter and our family with our love and support." Now, that was a pretty carefully worded statement, guys, and it doesn't repeat what President Biden has said in the past when he said his son did nothing wrong. He's careful not to comment on his guilt or innocence in this case because it's a sensitive time where the former president has been convicted of felonies and his supporters are questioning where the fairness of the justice system. And Hunter Biden's attorneys are making some of the same arguments actually in this case, where they're arguing that this was a malicious and vindictive prosecution. Again, this is a gun case. This is about a Colt revolver that Hunter Biden owned for 11 days until his then-girlfriend threw it in a dumpster. He was using and addicted to drugs at the time, and the government says he violated criminal law by lying on a form that he filled out when he went to buy this gun and then by possessing the gun. This is a charge that is rarely brought in this context, and there was going to be a plea deal, as you recall, last year that called for a deferred adjudication on this charge, and then Hunter Biden was going to plead guilty to misdemeanor tax charges. That fell apart. He's now facing 2 felony trials. This is the first one, and he's facing time in prison, guys.
Ken, so give us a sense as to the timeline of this trial. What should we expect in terms of witnesses produced, what sort of evidence will be discussed, and frankly, how long it may all last?
Jonathan, this is expected to be a 1 to 2 week trial, probably in the middle of that range. Jury selection is expected to take 1 to 2 days. It's a fairly simple case. He filled out the form, and there's going to be testimony about his drug use, including some pretty painful testimony for the Biden family from Hunter Biden's ex-wife, Kathleen Buell, and from Hallie Biden, Beau Biden's widow, who was romantically involved with Hunter Biden after her husband died, and can testify about his drug use. And she was actually the one who took the gun away from him and put it in a dumpster. It was then found by a homeless man, and that's how the police got involved. It's worth noting there were no charges filed at the time. This was 2018. But this conduct and this case arose again when the Justice Department was investigating Hunter Biden's business dealings, and that's what brought us here today.
NBC's Ken Dilanian, thank you very much for your coverage this morning. And